Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to check in Etihad Airways online. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you just have to open up your internet browser. So it doesn't really matter if you are on an iPhone or Android device, or if you are on a computer or laptop device, it doesn't really matter. Just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here you just have to search for Etihad Airways like this, and now just click on the first link, this one right here, Etihad Airways, and here you can just check in. You can book a new flight, you can manage and check your flight status and everything like that. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.